The ant, one of nature's most noble and valued insects. Here we see the workers arriving home, bringing food to the colony. But unbeknownst to them, a natural predator approaches. Me. My, they look tasty, don't they? Just like chicken. I move in close for the kill, but can't move too fast, or else I'll startle them and alert the queen. Oh, I believe I've attracted the senses of one of their scouts. Now we must hold and wait. A patient me can wait for up to 32 hours before feasting on a meal of ants. So I've got all the time in the world.